Passive income doesn't mean no work. It means smart work. Here's the truth no one tells you. Passive income isn't about doing nothing. It's about doing the right things once, so they keep paying you for years. If you've been told you need to grind every day to make money, or that retirement means living off of crumbs, I'm here to show you a smarter path. Hi, for those that are new, I'm Holly. I'm a mom and a grand and great-grandmother who found myself in debt and unable to retire at 70. Horrible. I had to figure out a way to not just survive, but thrive without a pension or a boss. What I discovered is that the wealthiest people don't work more hours. They design systems that pay them while they live their lives. Woohoo, that's the best and smart. Right now, millions of Americans are staring at shrinking savings and rising costs. Social Security barely covers basic bills for most, and pensions, they've disappeared for the majority of workers. You shouldn't have to choose between buying groceries or paying your electric bill. I know that fear because I lived it not that long ago. In 2025 alone, over 4.2 million people are turning 65, more than any year in the United States history ever. That means more competition for part-time work, more strain on retirement systems, and fewer opportunities if you wait. The 4-part SMART income blueprint. 1, protect your base first. Have 2 to 3 years of living expenses in a safe, liquid, high-yield savings, short-term bonds or CDs. This gives you breathing room and prevents panic selling investments. 2, build a forever asset. This could be dividend-paying stocks, a rental property, or even a digital product like an ebook or course. The key? It earns whether you show up that day or not. 3, automate everything you can. Direct deposits, auto billing, email sequences, and online stores that deliver products instantly. The less you touch it, the more free time will give you. You'll free it up. Mixed income types have both active. Passive streams, like consulting a few hours a month, and pure passive streams like royalties or annuities. That way, you're protected if one slows down. Every month you delay, inflation eats more of your purchasing power. The best assets, whether digital or physical, go to those who act early. If you wait until you feel ready, you'll be starting in a more competitive, more expensive market. That's the fact. If you want to see exactly how I went from no way, Jose, to retire to building a business that runs while I sleep, comment the word ready below and I'll send you the exact system I use daily. Couple hours a day, that's it. Don't aim to work until you don't need the money. Aim to build something that works until you don't have to. Comment me and I'll send you the info to build passive income streams on autopilot. You don't have to do all the heavy lifting and the heavy work. It's done for you. And I'm certified mentor to help you decide which is the best path for you.